Welcome to day 14 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're focusing on emotional awareness, a practice that helps us connect with our feelings and understand them without judgment. Emotional awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. By tuning into our emotions, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease and compassion. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Becoming aware of your emotions. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit and reflect. Ready? Let's begin. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor and your hands resting in your lap. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and take 3 deep breaths. Feel your body relax as you exhale. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Sometimes, emotions show up as physical sensations. Acknowledge these feelings without trying to change them. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? It could be happiness, sadness, anger, or even a mix of emotions. Name the emotions silently to yourself. If you're unsure, that's okay too. Simply notice the uncertainty. Allow yourself to sit with your emotion. Observe how it feels in your body and mind. Is it heavy or light, calm or intense? Avoid labeling it as good or bad, just let it be. When you feel ready, reflect on what this emotion might be telling you. Is it asking for rest, connection, or action? After reflecting, take a deep breath and release any tension as you exhale. So why does emotional awareness matter? It helps us respond to our feelings with compassion and clarity, rather than reacting impulsively. By understanding our emotions, we build stronger relationships with ourselves and others. Emotional awareness is a powerful step toward living mindfully and authentically. Now, let's reflect. How did checking in with your emotions feel? Did you notice anything new or unexpected? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's mindfulness practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 14 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's carry this emotional awareness into our lives and nurture a deeper connection with ourselves. See you tomorrow for day 15. Stay serene and honor your emotions.